Hello everyone. This video shows how to duplicate the results of crime data analysis. The README file in the Git repository shows details on software requirements, where to download the data, and how to get the results. Please refer to this if you have any issues. Let's start now. Today I am going to use PyCharm as my Python IDE. The first is to clone the project from the Git repository. For that, I'm going to use VCS get from version control. Here I have to copy the project URL and paste it. This is going to create a crime data analysis project in this directory. Let's clone it. A new project is created now with all the scripts. The next step is to configure the Python interpreter. This is going to create a virtual environment and Python interpreter for me. This may take a few minutes. The environment is set up now. The numbers in the Python script shows the sequence to run the scripts. 1.geocoding is the first script to run. As you can see, the Python packages are not yet installed. We can use pip to install the package. Pip install command name is the command to install the packages. In the same way, you can install for other packages also. For example, if you want to install geocoder, pip install geocoder. Once the package is installed, you will see this success message. And the environment may create an indexing, so it may take few more minutes. Indexing is creating now. Once it is finished, the pandas will be installed successfully. You need to follow the same procedure for all other packages also. For the sake of time, I'm not showing how to install all the packages. Now let's move on to run the Python scripts. The first is the geocoding. These are the two variables that can be changed based on the directory structure. I'm not going to change anything because I have everything set up in my Python project. The input file DC Washington is under crime events 2020. And output file DC Washington will be created under crime events with coordinates 2021. If you don't have this directory, please create a directory like this. Right click on the project name, go to new and create a directory with name directory events with coordinates 2021. If you don't do this step, you will get an error. So let's run this one. Once the Python scripts run, you will get this message process finished. A new CSV file is created under crime events with coordinates 2021 directory. Now let's run the second script. This is also going to be same like the first one. Input file and output file are the variables that can be changed based on the directory structure. The input file DC Washington is under crime events 2020 and output file will be created under crime number statistics 2020. So let's run this. The project runs successfully. The third one is the box plot. For this script, the input file is under crime number statistics 2020 and pop-up file factors.csv is already in the project directory. So we can directly run the script. The script creates a box plot, and if you want to save this box plot, you can click on save the figure and save it in your local machine. All other Python files are going to be the same. You can change the input and output variables based on your project structure. The README file gives more details for each script on how to run it. Now let's move on to the last script, the OR file. I have already installed the library for this script, but if you don't have, please install it before running. The next step is to set the directory for the OR. We need to copy the path of this directory. Go to copy and copy path and paste it here so that the working directory will be set. There are two CSV files or inputs for this OR script that are here. So let's run this now. So the script runs and it generates a graph and some text for us. That's all for today. If you have more issues, please refer to the README file. Thank you.